Hey guys, welcome to another property showcase by propertycozy.com. Imagine owning an investment property in one of St. Mary's most desirable communities, Tower Isle. Picture your family or yourself enjoying the perks of this prime location. Just 15 minutes from the Ian Fleming International Airport, near luxury hotels, renowned attractions, and boasting breathtaking ocean views. This stunning 7 bedroom, 7.5 bathroom home offers everything you could dream of and more. On the main entry floor, you will find a single car garage and a welcoming entry patio that leads into a grand lobby with soaring high ceilings. A twin staircase guides you to the upper floor. This main level also features a spacious kitchen, dining area, 2 bedrooms with ensuite bathrooms, a living room, laundry room, and an expansive balcony offering stunning ocean views, perfect for relaxing. Upstairs, the layout includes 5 additional bedrooms, all with ensuite bathrooms, and a second extended balcony with even more captivating ocean views. The upper floor also provides access to a rooftop deck, offering a breathtaking 360-degree view of both the mountains and the sea. This is a perfect place to unwind and take in the serene surroundings. Make the call today for more information and to set an appointment. Guys, let's take a look at this house and please watch the entire video for more details at the end. The asking price for this house is US 700,000 or Jamaican $107.7 million. To purchase or make an offer, please take a look at your screen or you may visit the description area below for full details. If you like this video, please hit the like button and also share with a friend. Thanks for watching, guys.